Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we'll discuss about one of the most important question that is asked in interview, that we have one application and some of the instance of that application is running on one cloud platform and some instance are running on other cloud platform. We have to establish a connectivity, then what steps we will follow. Or if like there is an on-prem server and are some server is on other servers are on cloud, then how we'll establish a connectivity. If someone is working from home and want to connect to the cloud, how we will establish a connectivity. So these are the question which is asked. So today we'll discuss about VPN gateway, customer gateway, and site to site VPN connection. So I'll give you an analogy, a simplest way in which you can understand. Suppose you are going to some of your relative house. Okay. So what steps are do we follow? We will get out from our house from a gate, right? So in our house also we have to get out from a gate, and the in the relatives house where we are going, they should also have one gate to enter into their house. So these gates are working as a gateways through which our data will go inside our house, correct? Then to go to our relative house we need a path, right? Those will act as a tunnel, so following that path only we can go, correct? And also, when in our relative house, our relative, like, we also open the door only when we know the person who has come to our gate, right? We will not open the door if we don't know the person. Similarly, in this AWS, when we establish a connectivity for this cloud platform, this trust policy has to be created that the data which is coming through these tunnels have to are trustworthy and they have to be received. So this trust policy has to be established. These tunnels are working as transmitting the encrypted data, okay, and these gateways are working as a passage to allow data transmission inside and outside. So these gateways, like virtual gateways, customer gateways, these are at a cloud platform, and these tunnels at the side to side VPN connection that we are creating from one side to another side, the tunnels that we are creating are acting as a path, right? So this is the simplest analogy that I can give for you to understand in a simplest way. Secondly, keywords. Let's go and understand that. This is a diagram which is there, that we have a cloud platform, we have VPC, and then with our VPC our VPN gateway is there, and then we have subnet. Inside those subnet we have the EC2 instance, right? We have AZ also, but that is not into a picture. Like if we so basically this VPN gateway is first created, which will connect with our VPC, and it will help in transmission of the data which is coming through these customer gateways which we have created for the data which is coming through from customer end and passing through it. So basically, and these are the tunnels which will help in the transmission. So that is why these things are needed: v virtual private gateway, customer gateways, and VPN tunnels. Okay, steps that we have to follow is, first of all, we have to create the virtual private gateway, we have to create the customer gateway, we have to enter the public IP of another cloud instance through which, like, on which we have to establish a connectivity. Then we have to create site to site VPN connection, add subnet of customer. Then in route table we have to go, and this is the cloud where from where we are establishing a connectivity. So we have to enable the route propagation over there, which in the route table, it will automatically add the row for these VPN connections, like the for the subnets. And then in side to side VPN connection, we have to download the configuration and then make changes on customer end instance. So basically these are the steps which we follow. So if someone asks you, I think if you will tell all this gist and also practice it by doing it, and if you will tell this explanation, I think this explanation will be fine, and will help you crack this question. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope it's helpful. So yeah, that's all. Bye.